infectious diseases or communicable diseases. So, as the name suggests communicable, this means that it can be traveled from one person to another. So, communicable diseases are those diseases that spread from one person to another. They are catching. These diseases are caused by germs or pathogens. Example of pathogens include virus, bacteria, parasitic worms and fungi. Disease caused by bacteria include typhoid and tuberculosis. Diseases caused by germs include common cold, polio, chickenpox and measles. And as we know that these are caused by very small organisms called germs. Communicable disease can be spread either by direct contact or through indirect contact. So, there are 4 modes of transmission of communicable diseases. Now, we will study about these 4 modes of transmission. Number 1, through air. Number 2, through direct contact. Number 3, through infected food and water. And last, through insects. First, we will look at how communicable disease spread through air. Coughing or sneezing by a diseased person releases germs into the air, and when a healthy person breathes these air, germs enters his or her body. Then these germs can cause various diseases like whooping cough, common cold, influenza, etc. So now we will see how these diseases spread through direct contact. Diseases like common cold, measles and chickenpox spread through direct contact either through clothing or articles used by the sick person. यदि हम किसी इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन के डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट में जाते हैं, उनके द्वारा यूज़ की गई कोई भी चीज़ को यूज़ करते हैं तो हमको बीमारी हो सकती है. इसलिए जब भी हम इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन के पास जाएंगे तो अपने फेस को कवर करेंगे और हैंड को वॉश करेंगे. Now we will see how can disease be caused through infected food and water.
Sometimes the food and water may be infected by germs. Flies carry germs, and when they sit on our food, they pass on the germs to our food, and when we eat this infected food, we fall sick. Unpurified or dirty water also contain germs. Drinking this water can make us sick. Diseases that can be caused through infected food and water includes diarrhea, jaundice, typhoid, etc. So, we should always eat healthy food and drink clear water. Now we will see how diseases are caused through insects. Malaria is caused by the protozoa that is carried by the female Anopheles mosquito. When the mosquito bites a person suffering from malaria, the protozoa are sucked up with the blood. And when this mosquito bites a healthy person, the protozoa are injected into a person's blood, and this causes malaria. Diseases like malaria, yellow fever, plague, dengue, and kala azar are caused by blood-sucking insects like mosquitoes, fleas, bugs, and sandflies. So, a communicable disease can be spread from an infected person to a healthy person either through direct contact, by unhygienic food, by insects and animals, or through air. So, if you want to stay healthy, stay in a clean environment, in a clean surrounding, and stay away from those who are not feeling well or who are infected with some diseases. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, then please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends, those who are in need. Till then, have fun learning with Ranjana ki Pathshala.